We had experienced Huawei FreeBuds Pro in 2020, which was also my favorite wireless earbuds at that time. Its performance in certain features has so far been rarely matched by later models. Even for today, it's still an option in our recommended list. But the wireless earbuds industry has been a new development for the past 2 years, and finally, Huawei decides to upgrade the series with a new model, the FreeBuds Pro 2. So now let's see if Huawei can continue the success of FreeBuds Pro series. Inside the package, you can see that the accessories are basically the same as its predecessor, a warranty card, a quick start guide, 4 pairs of earbuds of different sizes, and a shorter power cable. If not for this new color variant, you'd hardly recognize it was a new model at first. The location of the only button, charging port, and indicator is also the same as its predecessor, but once you put them together, you will notice that the new earbuds case looks more delicate and compact. I'm so glad that Huawei made the change for the new FreeBuds Pro because the smaller case did bring better portability, especially when put it in my pocket. And another great improvement is the sound. You can see that there's a new DVLED logo apart from the Huawei logo. DVLED is a famous acoustical engineering company that has brought a lot of world-class audio products for audio lovers. This is not the first time that Huawei cooperates with DVLED on their audio products, but we were excited to learn that acoustic collaboration finally extends to wireless earbuds. So I'm pretty curious to see how it will perform in terms of sound quality. We will talk about later. Unlike the surface of a charging case, the earbuds is smoother with a glossy finish, which looks more edgy and stylish. But because the surface of earbuds is so smooth that it might be stained with fingerprints. The earbuds are rated at IP54, which could ensure it works well for sweating exercise. 2 microphones to conduct noise is widely seen on most high-end ANC earbuds, but on the FreeBuds Pro 2, you will find Huawei applies a brand new ANC system with 3 sensitive microphones to boost the average ANC depth. And the maximum ANC depth even can reach as high as 47 dB. It's definitely a figure that we've never seen before on an earbuds product. When you activate the noise cancelling mode in a noisy environment, you will immediately feel the whole world calm down. The transparent mode is also better than its predecessor. I couldn't even feel the difference between it and the AirPods Pro. There are 2 microphones placed on the both ends of the stick for all-round pickup, and another one at the front chamber is for detecting users' ear canal structure and sound feedback. This not only makes it look more integrated, but also allows it to pick up ambient noise from different directions. The brand said the FreeBuds Pro 2 boosts the average ANC depth by 15% compared with its predecessor. Have to know that I'm still very satisfied with the FreeBuds Pro's noise cancelling performance, but once I put the Pro 2 on, I realized that I may have to raise my review standards. Indeed, the new earbuds brought me a new noise cancelling experience along with excellent adjustment of the pressure in my ears. Even when I trigger on the Ultra ANC mode, there's no perceivable discomfort after wearing them for a long time. Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 inherits excellent wearing comfort from its predecessor, which feels light and secure. What's even more delightful is that it produces no stethoscope effect while sporting. Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 offers very comprehensive customization in terms of control. You can have playback control, sound switching, volume adjustment by pinch, long pressing, and swiping. All these options are available in Huawei AI Life app. Now let's talk about my favorite feature, dual connection. The dual device switching is smoother and more stable than ever. The earbuds will responsively auto-switch the source between the 2 devices you connect, even though they are not produced by Huawei. Or if you have more than 2 devices standby, you can still easily switch the connection among them in the AI Life app. But if it could support gesture control for device switching, it would be perfect for me. Well, now let's talk about the most important thing, sound quality. Huawei says it's using a new setup with dual driver units, which combines a large dynamic driver with another planar unit, which is usually found inside of high-end headphones. They could work separately for bass and treble notes, which aims to deliver richer sound and more power bass. The default sound has richer detail than its predecessor, and the frequency response range sounds much wider. Since the bass is deeper and impactful but without blurring treble and vocals, while generating strings and high notes are crisp enough. I had expected this before, but it still surprised me at this point. And the earbuds support the high-res LDAC codecs. If you have compatible high-res music and a device that can play LDAC, you will be able to enjoy the highest resolution music that wireless earbuds can bring. Huawei brings a new translation function for business users. When the translation is ongoing, the phone will be used as a microphone. You can hear the real-time translated conversation in earbuds, which reminds me of some sci-fi movies. But obviously, at the moment, it is only for formal conversations. To make earbuds become simultaneous interpretation assistant, there's still a long way to go. There's an extra surprise for gamers. Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 support a low latency mode in the AI Live app, so you can turn it on for a better experience while playing games. Perhaps due to the greater noise cancellation capability, the battery life of Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 has dropped slightly compared to its predecessor, and it still provides a 6.5 hours playback and sustains up to 30 hours of listening with the charging case. The Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 is probably one of the most powerful earbuds that I've experienced, especially for Huawei users. The great compatibility, enhanced noise cancellation with impressive sound, and IP54 support are already enough to make them give up considering other brands. This is all about Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. If you have any question about it, please leave them down below. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'm Will from Gizmo China. See you soon.